How to get to $20 Costco promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now type in Costco.com and search for it. With that, you will be directed to the official website of Costco. Now you have to log into your account, make your purchase, and while you check out, you will find the section of promo code. Or the basic code and you will get the discount. But where can you find the promo code for Costco? For that, open a new tab. Now type in Costco promo code and search for it. Different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can get working promo codes for Costco. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm going to open Time Magazine. After you open it, you're going to find amazing deals and offers. You can see that $180 offer, $40 offer, $20 offer, and many more. Head towards any of the offer that you want to use. Just go ahead and click on See Discount. There is no code for this offer, but what you can do is click on this option of View Discount at Costco. With that, you will be directed to the login page of Costco. Now you can log into your account, make your purchase, and while you check out, this offer will be directly applied to your purchase. Also, you can try out any of these offers. Also try out these websites, as these websites will also provide you working promo codes for Costco. Well, this is how you can get up to $220 Costco promo code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.